Alright, I'm just gonna travel to my, I got a whitetail and moosestone over here. Gotta make a quick video here. Oh, wait, what's that? Wait, that's Spirit! Get your handgun out! There's no way! That's my third Spirit bear I've gotten in under 20 kills. That's insane. Wow, okay. Just gotta make this shot count. Let's hope I got him. Alright. Man. I sure hope I... Okay. It's vital blood. Let's hope I got it. Oh, there he is. Okay, yeah, he confirmed that definitely is Spirit. That is insane. My third Spirit in under 30 kills. 20 kills, I mean. Wow. The only vital I hit was liver, and very lucky. Ho ho ho. That is pretty cool. Definitely gonna taxi that baby.